Hello everyone and welcome back to Techavro. Here we make videos on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be talking about on how to lock your Instagram app. Now honestly, there is no Instagram lock, like there is nothing built in with Instagram to lock the app, but you can definitely go to your app store and find an app locker. And then just search for app lock. From here, just select any of the app lock that you like. Personally, I myself have used none of them, so I don't know which one is good or which one is bad. But yeah, if you're searching for an app lock, you will need to try one of these apps and then lock the Instagram app using a third-party application such as these. Other than this, there is no other way to lock the Instagram app. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well as that notification bell. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.